Very warm good morning, children. Today we will be doing general science, the universe, our universe, the solar system, our solar system. It is chapter 11, unit 6, page number 91. Children, I hope you know about solar system. You must have done something in class 3 also of our solar system. You must have even done about the sun, the 8 planets and their moons make the solar system. The word solar means of the sun. So this sun which you are seeing is the family of solar system. Sun and its 8 planets are called solar system. Now, the sun, the 8 planets and their moons make up the solar system. The word solar means of the sun. As Earth is a planet in the solar system. Our Earth is also a planet in the solar system. Can you see the Earth? Children, you should know how the Earth was formed. How was our Earth formed? In the beginning, the solar system was one huge swirling ball of dust and very hot gases. The center of this huge spinning cloud slowly collected to become the sun. Other parts of the original gas cloud collected together in different places. As the gases cooled, they became liquid and finally solid. These solid planet parts became the planets and their moons. Now you have to understand, in the beginning solar system was only a huge ball of dust and very hot gas. उसके सेंटर के द सेंटर ऑफ दिस ह्यूज बॉल, उसमें एक स्पिनिंग चलता रह रहा था, स्पिनिंग ऑफ क्लाउड स्लोली कलेक्टेड. वो जो स्पिन करके एक क्लाउड कलेक्ट हुआ है उससे बना है सन. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द ओरिजिनल गैस जो भी कलेक्ट हुए थे वो डिफरेंट प्लेसेस में जाके कलेक्ट हुए, और जब ये गैस कूल हुए दे बिकेम लिक्विड. पहले वो लिक्विड बने और लिक्विड जब ठंडा हुआ फाइनली वो सॉलिड बन गए. दीज सॉलिड पार्ट्स बिकेम द प्लैनेट एंड देयर मून्स. Now which we are going to do is the sun. Can you see the sun, children? Again I'll show you the sun. It's a hot ball of gases. The sun is still a ball of very hot gases. That is why it gives out heat and light. A heavenly body that has its own heat and light is called a star. जो भी आपको हेवनली बॉडी दिखता है स्काई में जिसके अपने खुद का हीट एंड लाइट होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ स्टार. सो डू यू नो चिल्ड्रन दैट सन इज ऑल्सो अ स्टार. सन हमें इतना बड़ा क्यों दिखता है? बिकॉज इट इज क्लोजर टू अर्थ. देर आर काउंटलेस सच स्टार्स इन द स्काई विथ प्लैनेट्स रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड देम. Some of these stars are much bigger than our star, the sun. Now see the planets, it is being shown here. The planets are being shown. All the 8 planets, they have shown it in page number 91. I will show you one by one all the planets. This is Earth, our planet Earth. Now can you see the full planet of our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Now, first one I am showing you Mercury. It is the closest planet to the Sun. Can you see Mercury? Second is Venus. Can you see Venus, children? Third is our Earth. So beautiful it is looking. Next is Mars. Then is Jupiter. See again, Jupiter is also very beautiful. Can you see Saturn with a ring around it? Then is Uranus. The last one is Neptune. These are our 8 planets of our solar system. Now, Earth is the only planet where we have life in it. Earth is the only planet that has got life in it. Now, page number 92, planets. A planet is solid and round. It has no light of its own. It shines because the sun's light falls on it. All the 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they don't have light at all. How do they get light? They get light from the sun. When sun's light falls on it, we can see it. Planets are moving all the time. They are moving. They are not still. A planet has 2 kinds of movement. Planet के 2 movement होते हैं. One is called rotation. Second is called revolution. It rotates or spins around its axis. एक जगह में खड़े होके अपने चारों ओर घूमने को, एक्सिस में घूमने को हम कहते हैं रोटेशन. रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ कॉजेस डे एंड नाइट. आपने देखा होगा कभी दिन होता है, फिर थोड़ी शाम के बाद रात हो जाती है. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ ऑन इट्स एक्सिस. जब अर्थ का जो साइड सन के तरफ होता है वहाँ पे डे होता है, और अर्थ का वो पार्ट जो सन से दूर होता है दैट इज नाइट. एंड अगेन देन इट रोटेट्स. फिर जो पीछे वाला पोर्शन है वो आगे आ जाता है. इट स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग लाइट एंड देन इट बिकम्स डे एंड द बैक पोर्शन is dark and it remains night. Okay, that is called rotation. Second is revolution. It also revolves on a fixed path around the sun. Sun के चारों ओर अर्थ रोटेट करता है on a fixed path. That is called the rotation. Revolution. उससे होता है seasons. It causes season. This fixed path of the planet is called orbit. sun के चारों ओर जब अर्थ घूमता है, सन के चारों ओर जब घूमता है उसे बोलते हैं रिवॉल्यूशन. REVOLUTION. और अपने ही चारों ओर एक्सिस में घूमता है दैट इज कॉल्ड रोटेशन. व्हेन इट रोटेट्स चेंज ऑफ डे एंड नाइट टेक्स प्लेस. व्हेन इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन सीजन्स टेक्स प्लेस. समर, विंटर, मानसून, वॉट एवर जो सीजन हो रहा है वो उसके रिवॉल्यूशन के चक्कर में होता है. रोटेशन टेक्स ओनली 24 hours. In one day the earth rotates, but revolution takes place in 365 and 1/4 day. That is whole 1 year. The 8 planets in order. Again, I'll show you the 8 planets in order. They are telling you Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet is of different size. Mercury is the smallest planet. Children, Mercury is the smallest planet and Jupiter is the biggest planet. Living things exist only on planet Earth. Living things exist only on planet Earth. Why? Because the Earth has just the right kind of oxygen, rich air, water and warmth for humans and animals and plants to live. Life cannot exist on any other planet. Mercury and Venus are near the sun, so they are very hot. Mercury और Venus सबसे ज़्यादा hot है. Why? Because they are very close to the sun. Mercury को तो देखो वैसे ही इतना hot लग रहा है. Then Venus. Mercury and Venus are very close to sun, so they are very hot. Venus is covered with thick cloud. इस Venus पे cloud बना हुआ है. Quite like the blanket you cover yourself. These cloud keeps Venus very hot. ये जो cloud है Venus को बहुत hot रखता है. In fact, it is the hottest and brightest planet in our solar system. It can be seen early in the morning. Venus को आपको सुबह सुबह देखना है. Sky में आप जाके देखोगे तो you can see in the morning or in the evening with naked eyes. आपको Venus दिख जाएगा morning और evening में. It is often called the morning star or the evening star. इसको या तो हम morning star बोलते हैं या evening star. This is wrong because हम लोग इसे बोलते हैं it is a morning star, it's a evening star, but it is no, Venus is not a star, it is a planet. So this is wrong because Venus is not a star. But when we look at the night sky without a telescope, it is difficult for us to tell a star from a planet. हम नाइट स्काई में देखते तो हमें पता नहीं चलता कि ये स्टार्स है या प्लैनेट्स है. दे ऑल लुक सिमिलर. नाउ नेक्स्ट चिल्ड्रन वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज द मून. Like planets, moons are also round bodies, but moons are smaller than planets. Our planet, the earth has one moon. हमारे planet के पास सिर्फ एक moon है going round it. अर्थ के चारों ओर ये मून घूमता है. हम सन के चारों ओर घूमते हैं, अर्थ सन के चारों ओर घूमता है, और अर्थ के चारों ओर कौन घूमता है? मून. Some of the other planets too have moons going around them. Many planets have more than one moon. कई planets के तो बहुत ज़्यादा moon भी हैं. Moon travels in a fixed orbit around their planets. A moon does not have its own light. मून के अपना कोई लाइट नहीं होता है. इट शाइन्स ओनली व्हेन सनलाइट फॉल्स ऑन इट. आपको मून कैसे ब्राइट दिख रहा होता है? क्योंकि सन की लाइट उस पर गिर रही होती है. अ मून इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ नेचुरल सैटेलाइट. मून को हम नेचुरल सैटेलाइट भी बोलते हैं. A moon is also called a natural satellite. A satellite is something that orbits or goes around something bigger than itself. What is a satellite? Satellite क्या है? Satellite एक ऑर्बिट है जो किसी भी बड़े ऑब्जेक्ट के या बड़े प्लैनेट के चारों ओर घूमता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ सैटेलाइट. सो चिल्ड्रन, टुडे वी विल बी डूइंग ओनली टिल पेज नंबर 92, द मून्स. In the next video, I'll be sending you the concluding chapter, and here I'll be sending you all the short questions, fill in the blanks, true or false, and all. And in the next video, I'll be sending you question answers and the remaining part of the chapter. Hope you must have understood till this. Read the chapter twice or thrice, then you will understand it very nicely. God bless you, children. Take care. Have a nice day.